Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to provide a quick review on how you can install some free VPNs for binary options trading. As you might already know, some binary options brokers like Codex and Pocket Option are restricted in some countries, or you might even be a data privacy lover and you don't want anyone essentially to know where you live. And so you can use these free VPN extensions. As you can see, I've already searched it in the Chrome Web Store, and here are some examples. For example, these two VPNs I've already installed and use on a daily basis. They're right up here and you can click on them. This one is experiencing a server interruption, so let's see other ones. You can start a connection right here and choose from these free servers, and for the other one also you can start the VPN, and for example I'm connected to Singapore, and you can turn it off like that, or any other VPN right here. These are all free to an extent, and they all have some premium servers. So yeah, that's it. You can really, for example like this, connect to this VPN, and when you connect it to Singapore you can navigate to the Codex platform and it will load, as you can see, and you can start trading. Yeah, that's it. That was really a quick guide for you guys to know how you can trade on these binary options brokers. So yeah, feel free to use any free VPN on the Chrome Web Store, and good luck in your trading.